It's really interesting how we found Mountain Air. We came up here looking for a home for our daughter. She wanted to move from Texas to Asheville. And while we were working with our realtor, we saw an advertisement about Mountain Air, and she suggested that we come up. We weren't looking for a home for ourselves. It was just life-changing. Right now it's fall, and the changing of the leaves is just brilliant. Kristen's learning to play golf. I play tennis all the time. The kids play pickleball. They go to the day camp.
I pretty much go to the gym 5 days a week. I really enjoy the yoga, the strength training. There's Pilates. Leah's a great instructor, and it makes the class fun. And you get to know people. You get to know the community.
Probably met 100 people in one season. To make the Mountain Air experience even better, the town of Burnsville is like a boutique community. Small town, friendly streets, great music, dining, the festivals that they have in the middle of town. It's really delightful. When we come up here, I plan to play tennis. We plan to go down to the golf training center down at the bottom and practice our golf swings and putting and chipping. I always book fly fishing adventures. It's like a place you come to get a little younger. If you want to grow old, this isn't the place for you.